Hello everyone, this is Deepti Jaiswal and welcome to Rainbow Public School and my YouTube channel Deepti Physics Academy. Now today we are going to discuss one-dimensional elastic collagen. Okay, so what is elastic collagen and kinds of elastic collagen we have already discussed in previous lecture. So today is a one-dimensional elastic collagen. Okay, so here collagen, so here two bodies and that they collide. So there are two bodies of mass m1 and mass m2. This is the mass m1 and this body is mass of m2. So these are two bodies and which are moving it in one dimensional with velocity u1 and body m2 are moving with velocity u2. Okay, and they collide and after collision the velocity of body m1 will v1, the body m1 then v1, and after collision the velocity of body m2 will v2. Okay, so this is the before collision and this is the after collision. After collision, the before collision. Okay, so m1 and m2 मास के टू बॉडीज हैं जिनका बिफोर कॉलिजन वेलोसिटी u1 है एंड u2 है, दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में मूविंग कर रही हैं, उनमें कॉलिजन होता है एंड आफ्टर कॉलिजन उसकी वेलोसिटी v1 हो जाती है एंड ये v2 वेलोसिटी से मूविंग करने लगते हैं. u1 इज ग्रेटर देन u2. ओके, so here let two body of mass m1 and m2 are moving with velocity u1 and u2. Velocity u1 and u2 where u1 is greater than u2. Okay, they collide and after collision the velocity of that bodies are v1 and v2 respectively. Okay, so here ये m1 एंड m2 अब इसमें कॉलिजन होगा और कॉलिजन के बाद इनकी वेलोसिटी चेंज हो जाएगी. एंड हियर so in elastic collagen we have already discussed in previous lectures linear momentum and kinetic energy both are conserved. Okay, so here we find the kinetic energy before collision and after that we find the kinetic energy after collision. So here before collision total linear momentum of system, total linear momentum of system. So here total linear momentum is equal to P is equal to mv, mass into velocity. So here m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is the total linear momentum of system. This is the linear momentum of first object and this is the linear momentum of the other object. So here after collision we find the total linear momentum of after collision. So total linear momentum of after total linear momentum of system. Okay, so here m1 and v1. So here m1 v1 and second linear momentum of second object m2 v2. Now we find total linear momentum, so we add these two momentums. Okay, so according to conservation of momentum, according to conservation of momentum, here we discuss elastic collision, and we have already known that in elastic collision total linear momentum have always conserved. So according to conservation of momentum, total linear momentum before collision is always equal to the total linear momentum of after collision. So here before collision total linear momentum before collision is equal to the total linear momentum after collision. Okay, so we have already derived the total linear momentum before collision and after collision. So now here we put the values of before collision and after collision. So here m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to the m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Here we transpose, so m1, now we transpose m1 v1 on this side. So here, and now we common the m1, then u1 minus v1 is equal to, now we common m2, and here we transpose m2 u2 and other side, so we write v2 minus u2. This is the equation first. Okay, now we find the total kinetic energy before collision and after collision. So here before collision total kinetic energy of system. Okay, so we know that kinetic energy is 1/2 mv square. So we write here for first body 1/2 m1 u1 square, and plus for second body 1/2 m2 u2 square. Okay, now here after collision total kinetic energy of system will be kinetic energy. So here we write 1/2 m1 v1 square plus for second body 1/2 m2 v2 square. According to conservation of kinetic energy, according to conservation of kinetic energy, we know that the total kinetic energy of before collision is equal to the total kinetic energy of after collision. Total kinetic energy before collision is equal to total kinetic energy after collision. Okay, now we put the values of these collisions. So here we write 1/2 m1 u1 square plus 1/2 m2 v2 square is equal to, now here 1 upon 2 m1 v1 square plus 1 upon 2 m2 v2 square. Okay, so here this is the equation. Now here we transpose and common. So here 1 upon 2 m1 u1 square, and now we transpose this term and this side, so 1 and common m1. So here u1 square minus v1 square, and now we this term transpose to another side and we take common m2. So we 1 upon 2 m2, then we write v2 square minus u2 square. Okay, this is the equation second. Okay, so here now equation second divided by equation second by 1. Equation second divided by equation 1. Now this equation is divided by equation 1. So here 1 upon 2 m1 cancel. Now here 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 cancels. Okay, now equation second divided by 1, so m1 cancel, and here we write u1 plus v1 and u1 minus v1. Okay, upon u1 minus v1, and we write m1, and here m2 v2 plus u2 and v2 minus u2 upon, here we write m2 v2 minus u2. So here m1 cancel and u1 minus v1 also cancelled, v2 minus u2. Okay, so here we have only u1 plus v1 is equal to v2 plus u2. Okay, so from here we write u1 minus u2 is equal to v2 minus v1. So this is the relative velocity before collision, and also we write u1 minus u2 is equal to minus v1 minus v2. So the relative velocity before collision is equal to minus relative velocity after collision. Okay, so means u1 is the relative velocity before collision and the relative velocity after collision. Now we find the values of v1 and v2. So here so to find the value of v1 and v2, this is the equation third, and here we find the value of v2 from equation third. From equation third we find the value of v2. Find the value of v2. So here we write v2 is equal to u1 minus u2 plus v1. Okay, the minus, and after transposing that is plus, and this value is put in equation first. Put the value of V2 in equation first. Okay, so here from equation 1, m1 u1 minus v1 is equal to m2, and the value of v2 is u1 minus u2 plus v1. Okay, and now u2, so here u2 and okay, both are negative, so here we write m1 u1 minus m1 v1 is equal to, here we write m2 u1 and minus u2 and minus u2, so negative, so add means minus 2 u2 and m2 means minus 2 m2 u2 plus m2 v1. Okay, and here m1 u1 and here m2 u1 and here m2 u1, so here we write m1 u1 minus m2 u1 plus 2m2 u2 equal m2 v1, and this term transpose in another side, so here this term is positive, will be positive m1 v1. So here m1 minus m2 and common u1 is plus 2m2 u2 is equal here v1, so m2 plus m1 and common, we take common v1. Okay, so here m1 minus m2, m2 plus u2. So from here we find the value of v1. So value of v1 will be this is multiplied by v1, so here m1 minus m2 upon m2 plus m1 and u1 plus 2m2 upon m2 plus m1, and this is a u2. So this is the velocity value of v1. Okay, and similarly we find the value of v2. So similarly we find the value of v2. So here we find so here eliminate the value of v2, sorry, eliminate the value of v1, we find the value of v2. So here we directly put the values, and here this is the value of v1, and now we write value of v2 without solving, and you can find, and without solving, so trick, we use trick here, and we replace the u1 with u2, and okay, so we replace the u1 with u2, so we write here this term 2 m1 m2 plus m1, and you replaced u1. Okay, plus, and here we replaced m1 to m2 and m2 replaced m1, so here we write m2 minus m1 upon m1 plus m2, and we write here u2. So this is the velocity of, this is the value of v2. Okay, सो आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा, क्या क्या हमने किया, कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमने कैलकुलेशन किया एंड वैल्यूज पुट की. सो थैंक यू.